There's not much to do when all I can.
Well, don't I look like a princess in my newspapers? Hello gorgeous, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Gloria, and if you're old, thank you guys for coming back. I love you guys so much. As you can see, today we are going to be making a dress from newspapers. You're gonna look elegant like a princess. I love this DIY so much. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video, shall we? Well, for the start, we are going to need newspapers, sellotape, scissors, and glue. We are going to cheat a little bit, so get any cloth that will act as your base. The rest of the video is going to be a follow along, so enjoy.
Every night, love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. I wanna move away to a place where I can't let go. I wanna settle down with someone that just know me well. But I got you, babe, and it's all good. Little did I know that you'd be a 10 out of 10. But I got you, babe, and it's all good. Little did I know that you'd be a 10 out of 10. Still wearing all my clothes, even if they're all in wrong size. It doesn't even matter, 'cause you're all I need when the rest of the world is on fire. It doesn't even matter. I want us to be safe, never letting go of your hand. I fell into your fate, this is where I will stay. But I got you, babe, and it's all good. Little did I know that you'd be a 10 out of 10. But I got you, babe, and it's all good. Little did I know that you'd be a 10 out of 10. Still wearing all my clothes, even if they're all in wrong size. It doesn't even matter, 'cause you're all I need when the rest of the world is on fire. It doesn't even matter. doesn't even matter. It doesn't even matter. Still wearing all my clothes, even if they're all in one size. It doesn't even matter, 'cause you're all I need when the rest of the world is on fire. It doesn't even matter. It doesn't even matter. It doesn't even matter. Found in the dark, broken and scarred.
Oh my god, I like this a
In
lot.
my heart, it was a part. You were the one I needed. Love like this is really hard.
Well, that will be it for the video. Don't I look so pretty? Oh my god, I love myself. I look like a princess. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the notifications bell so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. I love you guys so much. Mwah! Adios. Bye.